There are thousands of positions of software development around the world, and with these 3 resources you will be able to apply to them. Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Alessandro, a software developer and a researcher from the University of Bremen. I'm basically a self-taught developer and I learn from various websites, but today I would like to show you the 3 top websites that I could learn more and I could get a job from them. FreeCodeCamp is a website that provides you with dozens of certifications for any kind of web development. I remember that I did a lot of modules in responsive web design, and I logged in again after a while and everything is updated to the latest architectures and latest trends in the web development. It's a really great tool that gives you exercise to build up your CV to show up when you apply to a position. If you're watching this and you already use FreeCodeCamp and helped you to land a job, please donate something to them. They are really amazing. Everything is free and they develop their own website as well. Udemy helped me back then when I wanted to enter the gaming industry. I bought a couple of courses from Game.tv and Game Maker courses from Benjamin Anderson. I still remember that I did my first mini game in Game Maker and it felt amazing. It was a really great achievement for me. Even if you don't get a job in the gaming industry, you will understand a lot of struggles and a lot of challenges that game developers have when developing a game. And to me it was really interesting to understand the physics, how you create a physics inside a game engine. Learning a new language or a way to develop helps you build a muscle memory that allows you to jump from language to language while working on a project. When you are required to understand what language or framework is better for something, you will be able to do that. At first it might be hard to find someone on Udemy, but I'm sure with a bit of research and looking at the feedbacks can help you to find the right choice for your needs. I still have a dream that one day I will develop and publish my own video game. You never know. And then YouTube. This website that you see around me. In my past, I used and watched the videos from Thememetrics to learn Java and to learn how to code games in Java. Here I remember I created a basic movement system from scratch. So I created the graphics in OpenGL and in Java I could move my little man around and I mean it's so great. It feels really amazing. I love to watch the developer diaries because you can see what other developers are struggling or what do they achieve, so you can learn from those diaries as well. In addition to tutorials, you can also get some playlist of music. I love lo-fi music to get into the flow. Whenever I put out the headphones and go into the programming, time passes so fast and I feel great and I really work really well. You can find in the description the link to the stuff I just said, and if you found this video useful, please check the video where I develop an extension in Python for Notion, and maybe you can also check the video where I explain how I use Notion as a software developer. Thanks a lot for watching and bye!